Combar. This robust and multifunctional tool combines 5 high-quality tools in one and is ideal for hiking and surviving in the wild. Combar consists of an axe, a shovel, a knife, a hammer, and a saw, while it has a relatively small weight, only 1.45 kilograms. This tool is not afraid of water, sand, or other contaminants, nor does it rust. You can buy it for $360. Bandito. This device has been created to get rid of mosquitoes and other insects and is worn on the wrist. This small device uses a non-toxic odor in combination with an acoustic sound that keeps dangerous insects away. The main aromatic components are citronella, mint, and lemongrass. It should be noted that all these 3 odors are effective against mosquitoes, but their combination has improved the effect on insects. Used on a daily basis, Bandito will last for 3 months, after which you'll need to purchase a replacement unit consisting of sealed strips. 1 strip is enough for 2 weeks of use. The device's internal battery can operate for up to 500 hours. The portable device is skin-safe and non-toxic to people, and the cost of Bandito is $34. Roidmi F8. The motor of this upright vacuum cleaner has a suction power of 115 volts, which allows small dust to be sucked up in addition to the normal dust. The device can operate in 2 modes. The first is the normal mode. As indicated, in this mode, the device can work for up to 55 minutes. The second is the turbo mode. This mode is suitable for cleaning carpets, which requires more energy. However, in this mode, the vacuum cleaner can run for approximately 10 minutes. The Roidmi F8 has a 29.6 volt and 2500 mAh battery, and the weight of the vacuum cleaner with a nozzle is 2.5 kilograms. To recharge, a special station is provided, which is bolted to the wall and holds the vacuum cleaner in place with strong magnets. In addition, it's possible to connect to the vacuum cleaner from a smartphone via a special application and view complete information on the battery charge and filter wear and verify other necessary data. You can buy the Roidmi F8 for $290. TasteStick. This innovative handheld salt sprayer controls the volume as well as the area of distribution of the granules. TasteStick helps control the amount of salt consumed, reducing it to 30 milligrams, without compromising the taste of the dish. In addition, the cooking device is equipped with a patented mechanism that ensures the purity of the salt during storage. Although each TasteStick comes with portions of organic alpine salt, you can fill the cartridge with any salt, according to your taste. The cost of the device is $71. Hiuni. This unique telescope can independently search for celestial bodies and display them on your tablet screen. Because of this, the device lacks an eyepiece. For proper orientation, the telescope must be installed in an open area and connected to the tablet. Next, all that remains is to select the object of interest on the sky map, and Hiuni will automatically detect it by sending and adjusting the lenses using the built-in motors. After that, on the tablet screen you can see the image of the search result and even transfer it to another device using a QR code. In addition, with the help of the built-in software, the telescope can advise the user, for example, at what time of year and day it's best to study certain celestial bodies. At the same time, beyond its capabilities, Hiuni is relatively compact and weighs about 13 kilograms. Folded, its length is approximately 1 meter. This telescope will cost $540. ONYX. Team Arculus of New Zealand created a stabilizer called ONYX, which offers a new way of working with the camera and provides protection in extreme shooting. It should be noted that this device is the first propeller stabilizer with 3 protection shafts. Modern materials and production technologies contribute to increased user-friendliness. The base of the stabilizer is made of titanium alloy, which is covered with carbon fiber. The movable handles allow you to change the position of the stabilizer according to the convenience of the operator and the angle of pull required. You can buy ONYX for $1,800. FYRO. The main advantage of this portable oven is its stable and powerful flame, which can be easily controlled. FYRO uses dry branches as fuel, but its design provides an ideal temperature for cooking any dish, even in camping conditions. In addition, the safe design of the device allows it to be used as a protective fire. Potential buyers of FYRO will have to pay $530. Mix. The magnified reality glasses produced by the Ant VR company based in Singapore stand out for their weight, only 130 grams. Mix is a device with 2.1-inch screens with a resolution of 2400 by 1200 pixels. The glasses use a mixed 2-channel optical system with a viewing angle of 96 degrees. In addition, the ultra-modern gadget features a gyroscope, accelerometer, magnetometer, a Bluetooth module, and a microphone. Ports include HDMI 1.4, 2 USB 3 ports, and a 3.5mm audio output. The glasses connect to a personal computer or tablet and play the content developed for Steam VR. The games work in both augmented and virtual reality, but to use the latter you must install a black visor on the lenses. Mix comes with a control with 3 degrees of freedom, but for a complete game in virtual reality, controllers with motion sensors and a special camera are required. In addition, the project developers offer an eye movement controller. The minimum price for Mix is $450. Roam Ski. To save skiers from unnecessary fatigue during skiing, Roidmi Robotics created an exoskeleton that reduces the load on the knees. The device can be used in 2 modes, automatic or conventional. The first one anticipates the skier's movements and corrects the load on the legs based on the data obtained. The manual version is designed for more experienced athletes who can perform complex tricks and participate in long races. The creators of the sports exoskeleton claim that the device is useful not only for adult skiers, who due to age have problems with long runs and complex tricks. Roam Ski is also suitable for beginners. With the help of belt drives and air cushions, the exoskeleton is able to support the skier, allowing him to stand better on the slope and perform tricks with less risk to their health. With it, athletes will be less tired after long races. At the moment, Roam Ski is in development. Its approximate price will vary from $2,000 to $2,500. Orange Screw. This compact screw product was developed for the reliable installation of all types of awnings, tents, hammock structures, and even boats on the ground. The device is available in 2 forms. This small orange screw weighs 51 grams and is 24 centimeters long. This device is suitable for supporting the weight of small pets and medium tents. It should be noted that it's intended for use in solid soils. The larger version weighs 102 grams and is 31 centimeters long. This orange screw can hold large docks, inflatable boats on the shore, large awnings, and tents. It's intended for soft soils as well as medium hard soils, including sand. The cost of the device is $7 and $12 respectively. Apis Core. Construction has always been a complex and time-consuming process. But as technology advances, this has changed. The construction of new buildings using 3D printing is one of the most popular processes on the market today. The novelty of this industry is mobile printing. The Apis Core 3D mobile printer prints while inside the building under construction. It is a rotating arm with a single point coverage area of 132 square meters. The device is small in size, easy to transport, and requires no preparation time before construction. The installation and configuration of the Apis Core requires no more than 30 minutes. The dimensions of the printer are quite compact and reach 4 by 1.6 by 1.5 meters. The innovative machine weighs 2 tons, making it possible to use standard special equipment for transport. Another distinctive feature is the number of people needed to work with Apis Core. 2 trained workers can fully control the entire process, including the material flow. For the printing of the construction, fiber concrete, a kind of cement concrete, is used. In this way, the material is dispensed and applied layer by layer, reducing the possibility of construction waste to zero. Helicopter tree trimming. The unique technology of helicopter tree trimming seems almost fantastic, but it is used in reality. To carry out this process, a special circular saw blade is used, consisting of steel blades fixed one below the other. The device is powered by a common diesel engine. When the saw is lifted out of the air, the helicopter is floating in the air above the trees and moving in a straight line, cutting off the branches. This work requires the precision of every movement, as it's necessary to control not only the helicopter, but also the cutting mechanism. This method of trimming is mainly used near power lines to avoid contact of branches with cables and subsequent accidents. Amazon Prime Air. Amazon began using small drones to send small purchases to customers in the UK in 2016. And this can be considered a major breakthrough in the use of drones. At the moment, the drones deliver purchases weighing up to 2.3 kilograms, and they do so in half an hour. Amazon's standard flying messenger service is a helicopter with 8 propellers and a computerized control system that's installed in the center and top of the frame. The maximum flight altitude for the drones developed by the company is 120 meters. The speed of the device in the air reaches 80 kilometers per hour, but the design and features continue to improve. The so-called drone tower is also being actively developed, from where the drones will fly with the orders and then return. Tesla. The American company Tesla, world famous for its electric vehicles, was founded in 2003 and was named after the father of electrical engineering, the physicist Nikola Tesla. To date, Tesla has successfully produced 4 models of electric passenger cars: the T Roadster, the Model S, the Model X, and the Model 3. In addition, on November 16, 2017, Tesla introduced the Tesla semi-electric tractor, which will be launched in 2019. According to the creator's idea, electric cars must completely replace the internal combustion engine and impart to humanity the desire to advance green transportation. Despite significant deficiencies in some cars, criticism and loss of production, the company is still existing and announcing new models of electric cars. Waymo. Waymo, part of Alphabet Holding, specializes in the development of autonomous driving technologies. Waymo's systems use information collected by the Google Street View service, a video camera, a LiDAR sensor mounted on the roof, a radar in the front of the car, and a sensor connected to one of the rear wheels that helps determine the position of the car on the map. It's also worth noting the devices for detecting flashing lights in emergency vehicles. At the end of May 2014, a completely autonomous car without a steering wheel or pedals was presented. To date, Waymo cars have exceeded more than 8 million kilometers during testing and on public roads. Among the disadvantages of these vehicles are the difficulties with parking, the recognition of urban waste, as well as the impossibility of moving under heavy rainfall and in snowy terrain. The company plans to complete the cars by 2020. KUKA Robotics. As a specialist in the field of robotics and automation technology, KUKA Robotics is one of the leading manufacturers of industrial robots. KUKA's wide range of robots includes devices of almost all load capacity types. KUKA industrial robots help to improve product quality, reduce material costs, and save energy. One of the unique capabilities of this company's robots is their interaction with the person as a partner and assistant. This allows these intelligent devices to be used economically in small and medium-sized businesses. It's also worth noting the novelty of the software and the exceptional precision in the movements of each robot, thanks to which they can carry out work even with small details. iLimb Pulse. The Scottish company Touch Bionics is a leader in the development of high-tech prosthetics and was the first company to commercially produce bionic prosthetics for the upper limbs. Currently, more than 1,200 patients worldwide use iLimb products. In addition to the existing model, another product has been developed, the iLimb Pulse. According to the developers, it's a modification of the first model that allows for more movements, some of them very subtle, such as tying the shoelaces and fastening the strap. The iLimb Pulse uses a unique patented pulsating technology when moving the toes of the prosthesis, which increases the ability to manage the prosthesis and increases the strength of adhesion to the object. When the fingers of the iLimb grasp an object, the user is able to use the pulsation function that ensures control of the object. These high-frequency electronic pulses are very important in everyday life, as they enable precise and decisive movements. In this case, the aluminium casing and design features make the iLimb Pulse a fairly robust prosthesis. It's worth noting that the device is capable of carrying a load of up to 90 kilograms. In addition, the iLimb Pulse uses a Bluetooth interface, which allows the prosthesis technicians to select individual settings for each user. Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge. This incredible structure is part of the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway. In addition, the Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge is considered the longest bridge in the world and is registered in the Guinness Book of Records. The length of the construction is 164.8 kilometers, but only 9 kilometers of the road is above water. At the same time, the largest pond across the viaduct is Lake Yangcheng. The Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge is located in eastern China, between the cities of Nanjing and Shanghai. The construction started in 2008, and despite the amount of work, the bridge was put into operation in 2011. More than 10,000 people participated in the construction. The most advanced technology was used, and the work was carried out simultaneously on both sides. To build the bridge, 2.5 million cubic meters of concrete and 500,000 tons of steel were spent. The final cost of the Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge, according to various estimates, ranges from $8 to $10.5 billion.